Java Programming Questions and Answers for all computer science exams and interviews. This is the part 1 video of Java Programming. First question, explain JVM, JRE and JDK. JVM, Java Virtual Machine. JVM acts as a runtime engine to run Java applications. JVM calls the main method present in a Java code. JVM is a part of JRE. JRE, Java Runtime Environment. JVM is an abstract machine. It is called a virtual machine because it doesn't physically exist. It is a specification that provides a runtime environment in which Java bytecode can be executed. JVM performs the main tasks like loads code, verifies code, executes code, and provides a runtime environment. What is JRE? JRE means Java Runtime Environment. It is the implementation of JVM which physically exists. JVM is only an abstract machine. So the implementation of JVM done by JRE. JRE is a software package that contains all the class libraries and other support files that JVM uses at runtime. Java Development Kit, that is JDK, is the tool necessary to compile, document and package Java programs. JDK contains JRE plus development tools. Along with the JRE, JDK includes an interpreter, a compiler, an archiver, a document generator and other tools needed for Java development. This is the complete picture of JDK, JRE and JVM. JDK is the development kit which contains JRE plus development tools like Java-C, Java, etc. And JRE contains JVM plus set of libraries. JRE provides the runtime environment. Here Java bytecode can be executed. Here are the differences in short. Have a look. Next question. Explain public static void main in Java. Main in Java is the entry point for all Java programs. It is always written as public static void main within braces string args. Here public is the access modifier which is used to specify who can access this method. Here we are providing public access method because the main method will be accessible by any class. So we must use public here to access the main method by any class. Next term is static. Main method is static in Java so that it can be accessed without creating the instance of a class. Main is the very first method called by the JVM before any objects are created. Only static methods can be directly invoked by a class. Void is the return type of the method. Void defines the method which will not return any value. Main is the method name and it is a starting point for all the Java applications. We can pass the parameters to the main method through the arguments array. Next question, why Java is platform independent? We know that one of the main feature of Java is platform independent. Why? Because of its bytecode which can run on any system irrespective of its underlying operating system. Why Java is not 100% object oriented? Java is an object oriented programming language but not pure object oriented because it uses primitive data types. Because of the usage of 8 primitive data types, Java is not 100% object oriented. What are wrapper classes in Java? Wrapper classes convert the Java primitive data types into reference types, that is objects. Every primitive data type has a class dedicated to it. These classes are known as wrapper classes because they wrap the primitive data type into an object of that class. Which are the primitive data types in Java? There are 8 primitive data types in Java: Boolean, char, byte, short, int, long, float, and double. Corresponding wrapper classes are shown in the table. Note the class name of int and char. Integer is the class name for type int and character is the class name for type char. Other class names are same as data type. What are constructors in Java? Constructors are used to initialize an object. It is automatically called when the object is created. Constructor should have the same name of class and it has no return type. There are two types of constructors in Java: default constructor and parameterized constructor. Default constructors are created by default if we are not provided any constructors in the program. Default constructor does not take any inputs or arguments. Its main purpose is to initialize the instance variable with the default values. Parameterized constructor takes arguments. If we want to provide some values other than default values, we can use the parameterized constructor for initializing that values. What is singleton classes in Java? Singleton class is a class whose only one instance can be created at any given time. How can we make a class singleton? By making its constructor private, a class can be made singleton. What is the difference between equals and double equal to operator in Java? Equals is used for checking the equality of two objects. Equals is a method which is defined in object class in Java. Double equal to, it's an equality operator in Java. It's a binary operator used to compare both primitive and object data.